Hello everyone, welcome. With our Natural Life channel today, we will show you all about how to care for a Dracaena. Types and growing tips, attractive and easy to grow. Dracaena varieties make great houseplants. The Dracaena genus of tropical broadleaf evergreen shrubs and trees includes several species commonly used as houseplants throughout the world. There are many types of Dracaena houseplants. To choose from, most of them have spear or grass-shaped leaves that extend off one or more thickened cane-like main stems. Dracaena are easy to grow, while they thrive in bright indirect light. They even qualify as low-light houseplants. The plant is primarily grown for its attractive foliage, which is often variegated and comes in a rainbow of colors. In their native tropical environments, some Dracaena plants grow up to 20 feet tall or more. But as indoor houseplants, most remain under 8 feet tall. The plants in the Dracaena genus contain saponins that are toxic to dogs and cats. Dracaena care. Here are the main care requirements for growing a Dracaena. Select a location in bright, indirect light indoors or dappled sun outdoors. Plant it in well-draining, slightly acidic potting mix or garden soil. Water it regularly in spring and summer, and reduce watering in winter. Increase humidity levels for houseplants in the winter. If needed, fertilize monthly with a water-soluble houseplant fertilizer. Prune in the spring or summer to control the plant's growth. If needed, light. Place Dracaena in a spot with bright indirect light. While the plant tolerates short periods of direct sunlight, long exposures will cause leaf scorch. Indoors, it also tolerates low light conditions, although it will grow better with more exposure to indirect light. Outdoors, it needs a location in partial shade or dappled sun. Soil for potted Dracaena plants. Use any peat-based commercial potting mix, which has the slight acidity that these plants prefer. If grown in the landscape in tropical regions, the soil should be rich and well-drained. Water. Keep Dracaena consistently moist during their growing season, spring through fall, but allow them to go drier in the dormant winter period. Water them thoroughly each week during the active growing season, letting excess water go out of the drainage hole. In winter, water moderately every 2 weeks. Temperature and humidity. Most Dracaena species thrive at temperatures of 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, but will react badly if temperatures drop below 50 degrees Fahrenheit. These tropical plants like a fairly high humidity level, which is often a problem for indoor plants. During the dry winter months, use a room humidifier if the air in your home is particularly dry. Fertilizer during spring and summer. Give Dracaena houseplants a monthly feeding with a water-soluble fertilizer formulated for houseplants. Do not fertilize in fall and winter when plant growth slows down. Dusting tip. Dracaena's many narrow leaves are dust magnets, but the sheer number of leaves makes it hard to dust them individually. Use a detachable shower head to spray the plant clean. Thank you for watching.